Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Filmora for 2025. Today, we'll explore the critical differences between Filmora Free and Premium, helping you decide which is best for your video editing needs. First up, let's take a look at the Filmora Free version. It offers basic editing tools, a variety of filters, and royalty-free music, but you'll find limitations like watermarks and fewer export options. In contrast, Filmora Premium unlocks a plethora of powerful features, including advanced editing tools, unlimited exports, and access to their extensive library of stock content. When comparing video quality and exports, Premium shines with higher resolutions and faster rendering times compared to the limitations of the free plan. Cost is a significant factor. While Filmora Free is, free, Premium offers a subscription model that, based on features, can justify the investment for serious creators. Both versions are designed with user experience in mind. However, the premium version provides a more intuitive interface with additional support resources. Filmora has a thriving community. Premium users have access to exclusive tutorials and support, which can be a deciding factor. Let's explore real-world scenarios. Hobbyists may find Filmora Free sufficient, while professionals will benefit greatly from the additional features of the premium version. Experts recommend, if you're a casual user, stick with free. But if video production is your career, investing in premium is essential. In conclusion, the choice between Filmora Free and Premium really boils down to your individual needs and goals. Evaluate your usage level and make the right choice for your video editing journey.